Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Chevy and GMC's 2014 to 2018 Silverado and Sierra 1500.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall the cab mount bolt and bushing and cut off the factory center cab mount. Step 3. Grind the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a weld-through primer to prevent or reduce future rust formation. Step 4. Using the factory mount silhouette for alignment, hold the new cab mount up to the frame. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the mount in place before welding fully around all edges. Step 5. Paint the cab mount and work area with a rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation.
We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint.
Reinstall your cab mount's bolt and bushing. Now, get back out on the road.